Hello, everybody. This is Aunt Boo. So, someone asked me a question and they said, Aunt Boo, my little one has asked me about the birds and the bees. And I need to know how to tell them about the birds and the bees. And so I thought about it, and here's what I would say. First thing you want to tell them is this. You know what? I'm so glad you came to me with this question. I want you to know that you can always come to me and talk to me about anything. That way the kids know that's a safe environment. Then you want to tell them this. Look them dead in their eyes. So you got to have some type of excitement, you know what I'm saying, about your face. Make sure you have their attention. So you say, listen, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Without breakfast, it'll throw your whole day off. And your breakfast have to be balanced out with carbohydrates and proteins. And so then you say women have grits. That's a carbohydrate. Men have smoked sausage and eggs. That's a protein. And when you put grits, smoked sausage, and eggs on the plate, up pops the toast. Your mama's little piece of toast. Who wants ice cream?